Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Wasim Rafiq. I am internal trainer here. Today I am going to discuss about fire blanket. Fire blanket is fire safety equipment, and this fire safety equipment and this fire blanket is normally used for small kind of fire in kitchen area and clothing fire of a human. If someone catch the fire, his clothes catch the fire, so we can extinguish fire on the man clothes by wrapping this fire blanket on properly onto the burning man. So in two ways we can use normally fire blanket. This fire blanket is a square shape with the coating of fire resistance material. As we will see here in orange line, we have this kind of fire blanket. This is a square shaped fire blanket, and we use in small kind of fire, and this always safe placed in the safe location in control center. In this short video, there will be a two part. In first part, we will discuss about the fire blanket and its procedure, how to use fire blanket. In second part, we will practically demonstrate how we use fire blanket in small kind of fire. So there is some important points regarding fire blanket here. Fire blanket is fire resistant coating material cloth of square shape and also called fire extinguishing equipment. Majorly used for the kitchen fire, cooking oil fats and K-type fire, and starting of fire 5 to 7 minutes. So if fire is starting phase, we can use fire blanket as well. And the third point is it can used for the clothing fire of human too. If man catch the fire, so we can use fire blanket to save the life of burning man. And the second one is the last one is a large size of fire blanket can be used for the evacuation as well by wrapping body. If we have large piece of fire blanket, then we can wrap this fire blanket in fiery situation. For example, we are in a building and building is firing and we have to evacuate from the building. So we can wrap our body with fire blanket and we can evacuate very easily from fireplace to fire event and building in which is in fire to a safe location. How to use fire blanket? Now we will discuss the procedure how to use fire blanket. There is 5 simple steps. By following 5 simple steps, we can use fire blanket very easily and very safely. The first step is called remove fire blanket. Second step is called hold fire blanket. The third step is called place over fire gently, and the fourth step is called remove heat source, and the fifth step is called leave until cooling. Now we will individually discuss each step. The first step, remove fire blanket. It means always fire blanket should be stored in quick releasing box or quick releasing sacks. For example, this will be an accurate position. In this way, we will hang fire blanket and we will release from this sack very easily by pulling these strips. So by removing this fire blanket from this sack, this first step will be complete. After removing fire blanket, we will go on second step. In second step, hold the fire blanket. In this step, we will hold fire blanket from corners in such a way all hands should be covered in fire blanket. So we will hold fire blanket in upright position by covering hand from corners of fire blanket. So in third step, place over the fire gently. In third step, we put place the fire blanket onto the fire practically, and we approach the fire gently, and we place and cover the fire with fire blanket in such a way all sides has been covered and no air entered into the fire. So oxygen supply cut off and ultimately fire extinguished inside the blanket. This kind of fire extinguishing is called smoothing. Smoothing principle used in fire handling with the fire blanket. So this step is very important. So we very carefully and very gently we have to approach the fire. The fourth step is remove the heat source. As we mentioned earlier, fire blanket used in small kind of fire in kitchen area or in limited place, so there must be a heat source. In kitchen area there will be a heat source like gas stove, so we have to turn off the heat stove in 4 steps. Step 5 is leave until cooling. This 5th step is all about leaving, waiting and discarding. Leaving means we have to leave the fire event and we will wait on safe location at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes on safe location, we will go again on a fire event and we will discard and remove the fire blanket. The fire blanket should be discarded properly because in principle we have to use fire blanket once a time in fire event. So discarding should be proper and no one should use the used fire blanket for any other fire. Let's demonstrate how to use fire blanket in small kind of fire. Here is a hypothetical situation. Let's suppose this bag is, let's suppose this is a fire. So we have to extinguish this fire, this small kind of fire, this limited fire in kitchen area or some other area, very limited space, you can say, in cutting or in the grinding type of hot work is going on and there is a small fire. So we have to extinguish this small fire, this limited fire. So let's start how we will use fire blanket to extinguish this small fire. At first step we will remove fire blanket, and fire blanket must be placed in such a position, and first step we will remove the fire blanket, quick releasing sand in such a way, and we will hold this fire blanket and upright position and cover all hands from the corners of this blanket. Fire blanket, after covering and upholding this fire blanket, and third step we will approach gently towards fire and we will place this fire blanket onto the fire, and very safely we will put this fire blanket on this fire, and we will try to cover all sides. Then oxygen supply will be cut off and ultimately fire will be extinguished. At the 4th step, we will turn off the heat source. If we have a heat source, gas stove or something like that, we have to turn off the heat source, or we have to remove the fuel. You can say small fuel, yes, small kind of wood and something like that. So after putting this and removing the heat source, we will wait at safe location until 10 minutes. 10 minutes we will wait, and the fire will be extinguished normally, and we will remove this fire blanket very carefully and safely, and from one corner we will pick this fire blanket and we will remove this fire blanket, and we will try to roll this fire blanket in such a way in very safe position and keeping away from the body, and we will discard on a discarding place. So discarding is very important, as you know. Now we will demonstrate how fire blanket can be used in evacuation, and if clothing fires of a human being happen. This kind of incident, in these 2 incidents, we can use fire blanket as well. So let's start. First we will remove the fire blanket from quick releasing sack or box, and in second step we will wrap body. If clothes fire of a human being is incident happen, so we will wrap on body in such a way, and in evacuation purpose we will wear this fire blanket onto the body in such a way, and we can evacuate to a safe location from fire incident. So in this way fire blanket can be used in evacuation and clothes firing of a human being. This is the third time use of this fire blanket. Now we will discuss some advantages and disadvantages of fire blanket. Advantages of fire blanket. Fire blanket don't have expiry date. They create less messy space and messy area as compared to fire extinguisher. And the third one is they can use on human being as well, and they can use on small equipments as well. And disadvantages are fire blanket have chemical resistance coating on their surface. This chemical can affect your body and harm the skin of a firefighter. So very careful about handling when you are going to use a fire blanket. And the most important disadvantage of fire blanket is that when we use fire blanket, fire and event and the distance between firefighter is very less. This less distance can create a hazard to firefighter. So be very careful when you are using and when you are placing fire blanket onto the fire. So there are some disadvantages.